Hey, what's up? I'm Fernando, and in this video I'm gonna show you that I have installed Linux in my computer. I have the Ubuntu distro. I think it's the version 14.04 that I installed a few weeks ago. And well, I'm gonna show you um, just like the basics and how to surf in Ubuntu. Well, in Ubuntu I read that you gotta get very used to the concept of terminal, which is this symbol. To enter this symbol, to enter this terminal, you can click in here and type terminal. Type terminal, and this is the symbol. You can click it, and a black shell will open like this. So in here what you basically do is you can control anything of your computer only with commands, which is kind of hard at the beginning, but at the long track is very useful because you got like full control of anything, everything that's happening. Let's say, for example, some basics of the first thing you will learn once you install it. You can type cd and the name of a directory. Let's type escritorio, and this means now I can run like things that are inside escritorio. For example, both this sample.py and bananas.txt. So to see what's inside this directory, you can type ls. You can see here bananas.txt, sample.py, and the backup of those files. To get out of escritorio, you just gotta click cd and you're out. There's another command very useful that I learned to use. Let's see, for example, escritorio, and then for example you can see here I have a Python file. You can type cat and the name of the file, which is sample.py, and you can see the code that it's written inside the file, from collections, import counter, and this is very useful. But what happens when you have a lot of letters inside the shell and you can even notice where you're working, where you have two options. You can type clear, or let's see, you have another option. Let's like type a lot of things, and you get another option which is type the control plus L at the same time. It will clear the shell. Mm, there's a lot of advantages of this shell. Like, let's see another example that I like a lot. It A lot of people say it's very useful, but I don't really like it still. But I'm trying to get familiar with it, which is the nano editor. You type nano archivo inside the shell, and you get inside what is kind of like editor. In here you can type and write files in Python, in C and C++, and I think that you can do this with a lot of other languages. I have only tried those three, but I believe you can try any other language. And you might be wondering, how do you get out of this? Well, you click Control C, or you can see inside below Control X. I'm sorry, what's Control X, not Control C. You click it and you're out of it. To get out of here, you can just click the red X, or you can also click Control X, and that's it. Well, as you can see, I'm very happy with my Linux, and I think this is kind of a good opportunity to me for to learn a lot because all my life I've used Windows, and now that I changed to Ubuntu, I can see there's a lot of stuff I was missing, like having total control on your files, which is kind of the good things of open source software. Well, I hope you like this video and see you soon.